This is a master tailor, Gaetano Aloisio. He's an Italian tailor. He's making a custom-made jacket, and he's marking the seam allowance and all the notches using a piece of chalk that he's holding in his hand. It's tailor's chalk, to be exact. And he's marking the seam allowance on the armhole. He's marking the waistline right there. That's where the jacket will end. This kind of a lost art, if you will, is quite something. You might pay a little extra dollar, but when you do a fitting, a custom-made jacket like this will fit like a glove. He's marking the lapel. He's marking the break point. That's where the lapel will break, will fold over. It's called the break point. And if you're wondering what all those white threads are, that is basting. What is basting? Actually, he just marked the breast pocket right there. Those white threads is the basting. See, underneath the black fabric is actually interfacing, interlining horsehair. Look at the white material underneath there. See that? That's horsehair. Yes.